Up next, we've got a really cool home. It's 5-bedroom, 2-bath home sitting on 13 acres right here in Fouke. And what's so special about this property is that the north end, you got Boggy Creek bordering your north. Most people know what happened back in the 60s and 70s. It's called The Legend of Boggy Creek. Made a movie about the Fouke Monster. Well, this is the creek, folks. In fact, right now, let's go look at the store that's promoting this in Fouke and tell a little history about the Fouke Monster. Back in the 1970s, a movie was made about a so-called 7-foot tall creature known as the Fouke Monster. The film claims to be a true story detailing the existence of the 7-foot tall, Bigfoot-like creature that has been reportedly seen by residents of the small community town since back in the 1940s. It was described as being completely covered with reddish hair, leaving 3-toed tracks and a foul odor. And if you're ever through the city of Fouke, Arkansas, right there on Highway 71, stop in at the Monster Mart. It has all kinds of memorabilia associated with the Boggy Creek Monster, and you can buy all kinds of trinkets, and you can read the full history about the legend of Boggy Creek. Folks, it's worth stopping in at the store. Pretty cool stuff. Now let's get back to the home. Let's go in and look at this 5-bedroom manufactured home in the country. When you walk through the front door, the kitchen is wide open to the living room, and there in the corner on the left, that is a wood-burning fireplace. Then at this end of the house, you have the master, and it's a huge master with a vaulted ceiling. Now check this out. It's got, of course, double vanities there. You got a shower, you got a tub, and the huge closet is a walk-through from the back all the way out and back in to your master. Now at the other end of the home, you have 4 more bedrooms. One of them has a fireplace, and it's big enough to be another master. But regardless, they're all good-sized rooms. And then leading back out into the hallway, you got a small office area. And next to the desk to the right, you got a huge laundry, complete with a sink. Now leading back into the kitchen here, well, it speaks for itself. It comes complete with a large pantry right here. And if you like lots of cabinets, you got it in this kitchen. And out back, you've got a huge covered patio. I'd guess this thing is at least 20 foot wide by 40-something foot long. You got area to stack your firewood, have all kinds of grill, outdoor cooking, and entertaining area, and partially screened on the whole front side. Got a real nice storage building right there. Probably 15 by 12 by 15 storage, but the real nice shop is back here. Let's go take a look at it. You know, the other cool thing about the property is it's got a very well professionally built 20 by 40 shop out here. It's got 2 wings. It's got a storage over here, and then a wide open area here. Concrete slab, electricity, the walls are insulated. You got 220 plugs. And if you're a white-tailed deer hunter, the owner has cut a path all the way through the woods to the north side, coming out at Boggy Creek, where he has his own deer stand and feeder. And folks, there's lots of white-tailed deer on your property. this drone footage shows Boggy Creek bordering the north side of this 13 acres. And folks, it's mostly all hardwood. Now folks, if you're looking for a country property right here in Fouke, where you can actually deer hunt right out the backyard back here, sitting on Boggy Creek, give me a call.